for that, no, I'm not, definitely I'm saying, I'm not making people to just make me blankly follow. I don't want. I'm creating the morals. I don't want followers. No? I said this several times. I'm not creating followers. Followers are the one who just blankly follow, depend. I'm creating the moral. You should be independent. Your freedom is all about, liberation is all about being independent. Understand? When you grow spiritual, you should be a right moral. To experience the holiness, you should be holy. If you are not holy, can you experience the holiness? The experience is happening inside you. Understand? All the holiness as an experience which is happening inside you. To experience that holiness, you should be holy. If you are not holy, you cannot experience the holiness. Similarly, to experience the divinity, you should be the divine. To experience the holiness, you should be holy. To experience the divinity, you should be the divine. All close your eyes and then listen this word, you will find. Close your eyes and then just chant this word. To experience the holiness, I should be holy. To experience the holiness, I should be holy. To experience the divinity, I should be the divine. To experience the divinity, I should be the divine. Extending to this fact, the very core being of your own self is divine itself. What do we think about dropping the mind and destroying the mind? The mind is equally powerful to put the self out of its experience. The mind is equally powerful to put the divine out of your experience. The very core being of your own self is divine itself. The mind is equally powerful to put the self, to put the divine out of your experience. That's the reason we are asking, we are practicing to drop the mind, to drop the ego, to drop the non-acceptance. The behavior of ego, non-acceptance. With non-acceptance, this mind survives. We are trying to destroy the mind by developing our acceptance. When there is a complete acceptance, the mind don't have a job. The mind exists on its non-acceptance. Yes, slowly rub your hands and open your eyes.